name, sir?
Who are you?
I'm sorry?
That's not the way this goes. Who are you?
I'm Sergeant Barry Ansis, Fort Wayne Police Department. How are you?
Good.
What's your name?
I didn't give it.
I know. I want to know what your name is.
I don't care what you want.
Well,
that's not the policy.
The Secret Service.
I don't care.
Us to identify
then
why
don't they come out here and talk to me?
They will in a moment.
Okay, go ahead. Am I being detained?
What's your name?
Am I being detained?
What is your name?
Am I being detained?
What is your
I'm
name?
going to assume no.
What's that?
I'm going to say, hey, don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. Public servant,
What?
don't touch.
What?
Look, public servant, you don't touch me.
All right.
You don't touch me.
Or else what?
You don't touch me.
Or else what?
I will file a complaint.
You can file a complaint.
Don't
but
touch
I'm going
me.
to identify you.
You're being live streamed? Nope.
All right, stop.
No. Am I being detained?
Yes, you are being
Am
detained.
I being
It's going to
detained?
Identify who you are.
That's not the way this goes.
Well, I don't care what you say.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. I'm not.
Sir,
No.
the Secret Service has
I don't
asked
care.
us to identify
I don't
you.
care what they want.
Okay.
The officers repeatedly detain the man on a public sidewalk while he films, claiming suspicion simply because his face is partially covered due to the cold, and he's recording near a presidential event area. A police officer may briefly detain an individual only if the officer has a reasonable and articulable suspicion that criminal activity may be afoot, supported by specific facts rather than a mere hunch. Here, no crime is articulated. Taking photos or videos from a public sidewalk is not suspicious activity, let alone criminal, yet the cops insist on holding him until Secret Service clearance, turning a consensual encounter into an unjustified seizure and exposing their overreach when the auditor demands probable cause or release.
That's not the way this goes.
I understand that.
Show me the law.
Okay, I understand that.
Show me what have
name?
I broken?
What is your
What
name?
law have I broken?
Okay. We have
What
to have a
law
here
have I
for
broken?
The arrival of the President of the
It
United
doesn't even close until 3 o'clock.
States. I understand that.
Or do you understand that?
What's your name?
Do you understand that?
What's your name?
What is your badge number?
1647.
I'm going to file a complaint with Officer Reed
That's okay.
and your Internal Affairs Department.
That's okay.
You don't touch me.
Okay. I did not touch you.
Yes, you did. I have it all live streamed between 3 cameras.
Okay.
Don't touch me. Not to mention the other ones that are watching you right now.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
Why
You
won't
have
you give
no
your name?
right.
Why won't you give your name?
I have no business to give you my name.
Okay.
I haven't what ordinance have I broken?
What's your name?
What ordinance have I broken?
What is your name, sir?
Have I committed a misdemeanor?
What is your name?
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
For under what probable cause?
Okay.
What is your RAS? Your reasonable, articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime.
You have your face covered.
It's
taking photos
cold
of-
outside. I have gloves on. It's cold outside.
You don't have your glove on. your
I
right
can't
hand.
operate the camera.
You don't have a glove
I've
on
been
your right
doing this and sticking it inside my jacket.
Well, you have it's so cold.
I've been alternating. It takes video as well as pictures. I can alternate between them.
Someone reach out to 600 on TAC 9. Advise them subject is refusing to.
I'm not refusing the ID. I'm saying I haven't broken the law.
He is not complying with our request for ID.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are being detained.
Under what probable cause?
The Secret Service is
Under what probable cause? I haven't
don't
committed
need
a
probable
crime.
cause to talk to you.
I haven't. It doesn't matter. You have to.
not
If
gonna
you have to
argue the- I'm not
detain
gonna
me,
argue the law with
then I'm leaving.
No, you're not.
What am I being detained for?
Is that your name?
What am I being detained for? What am I being detained
The
for?
Secret Service has cleared you.
What am I being detained for? What's your name, officer?
Wants to identify you.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Detective Tagmeyer.
What is your badge number, sir?
1574.
Thank you.
What is your name, sir?
What reasonable,
We'll get the
articulable
Secret Service out
suspicion?
here and we'll see if it's the same.
Why don't you get the chief down here?
Chief's busy.
Well, tell Mr. Reed to come down here. He knows who I am. Tell the chief to come here.
600, 620.
Tell the chief to come here.
Let the Secret Service know that the subject is failing to identify.
I'm not
himself,
failing to ID.
refusing to identify.
I'm not under 34125, 3.5. That's not it. It's not failure to ID. You haven't told me what crime I've committed.
Okay, just a second.
I don't want.
No, they're talking in my ear. You're not going anywhere.
Don't touch me.
You're not going anywhere.
Why am I being detained? Why am I being detained? You haven't given me probable cause for me to be detained.
Just a second. I don't need probable cause.
Yes, you do.
No.
You need reasonable articulable suspicion.
That's right.
Yes.
Probable cause.
What is it?
That's not.
What is it?
Reasonable.
What crime have I committed? Of what crime?
Right now, we're
Of
not
what
sure.
crime?
That's why we're talking.
You can't hold me for you're not sure.
Sure we can.
No, you cannot.
It's called a Terry stop.
No, then Terry frisk me.
I don't need to frisk you right now.
Okay. Don't reach in my pockets. That's not part of the Terry frisk.
Unless I feel something that could be contraband or a weapon, then I can.
No, you can't.
Sure I can.
That's not a Terry stop.
Sure it is.
Nope. It's a cursory search.
All right.
How dumb do you think the public is?
I don't think they're dumb at all.
Yeah, I've got 3 officers here.
I think they're antagonistic.
Yeah, 3 officers. I'm out here taking video and pictures. Where's the crime in that?
We're just following.
Where is the crime in that?
As requested of
Then
us.
tell them to either come out here,
They're on
and
their
I'll
way.
tell them the same thing I'm telling
They're on
you.
their way, sir.
For taking pictures.
That camera has 42 power zoom lens. You couldn't have got your pictures across the street.
I can get them from right here. It's the same public sidewalk.
You could get them from over there.
So I could get them from Google Earth, but I didn't. I got them from over there. That's not a crime. It's not a crime.
Certainly raises suspicion. when
It
you're
doesn't
dealing-
matter if it raises suspicion. It's not a crime.
Certainly does.
No, it doesn't. It's not a crime.
Activity.
It's not. It's suspicious activity. Is that a misdemeanor or felony, sir?
Suspicious activity.
Misdemeanor or felony?
It's neither.
That's right. It's neither. So I haven't committed a crime.
No, but that doesn't mean we can't talk to you.
Yeah. Well, you can't detain me. That's the thing.
What's the Secret Service advisor?
You don't detain citizens. You don't touch them. You don't touch them.
What's that?
You don't touch citizens.
I couldn't hear you.
Don't get any closer to me.
Or else what?
You're invading my personal space.
Or else what?
What do you think is going to happen?
You tell me.
You tell me. You're the one who wants to lean in like you want to kiss me.
Entrance number 4.
The only thing I can do is go backward into traffic. So if you're trying to, what do you think I was trying to do? Tell you to be
trying to leave.
Johnny on the spot and
trying
move
to
over here. Until you try to be Johnny on the spot and prevent me from coming away from the street. You're not serving and protecting. Did you take an oath?
Go out to.
Did you take an oath to
where the,
protect
entrances where
the United States citizens?
booths are on
Did
the
you take an
Parnell
oath?
side?
Sir, I'm talking to you. Did you take an oath?
Just a second.
Did you take? I don't care what you're doing. Did you take an oth? I'm talking to you, public servant.
Coming Parnell side, that'd be
I'm talking to you, public servant. Did you take an
go
oath?
out and around.
Did you take an oath?
I did.
To uphold the Constitution.
I did.
This is a First Amendment protected activity. So why don't you get back in your car and get back to your job? This is not your job.
Just a second.
Don't do that to me. You keep leaning in like you can't hear. So I'm speaking up
got an
for you.
earplug here
So I have
and over
two.
here.
I have two.
Okay.
So what?
I'm not hearing you over this loud, guys. So, yeah, just come to entrance 4 off of Parnell. Secret Service.
I don't want to get pushed in the street.
Do you feel better here?
I'm not going to be pushed in the street by you.
Do you feel better here?
Are you not going to lean in and try to kiss me?
Do you feel better here?
Are you going to not lean in and try to kiss me? Because that'll make me feel better.
I couldn't hear you. Secret Service is coming. Just relax.
Who's this jackboot? Who are you? Who are you, sir?
That's rude.
Well, you're illegally detaining me.
rude.
I have a right. You can't. If I touched you that way, even with a finger, even if it just touched your clothes, I'm going to jail.
You already did that.
I did not.
You going to jail?
I did not.
You touched me?
No. It's all on camera. I did not.
As soon as the Secret Service clears you and then clears that you're no threat to the President of the United States, then you can...
I'm trying to be out of here before 3 o'clock, before the road closes, so I can get my car out of here. Do you want me to stay all night?
No.
Do you want me to get video all night?
Oh, heavens no.
Then let me go for your instructions.
Just a second.
What crime have I committed?
Okay.
What crime have I committed? Am I being detained or am I free to go?
You're being detained until the Secret Service clears you.
What reasonable articulable suspicion do you have?
To them.
You can't do that. You have to have reasonable articulable suspicion.
doing that.
What crime have I committed?
That's what we're going to do.
What crime have I committed?
The man consistently refuses to provide his name, pointing out that he hasn't committed any offense and challenging the officers to cite a specific law or crime. States may require identification during a valid Terry stop based on reasonable suspicion, but only if the stop itself is lawful. Absent that, no obligation to identify exists under the Fourth Amendment. The officer's failure to establish reasonable articulable suspicion means their demand for ID is baseless, and the auditor's repeated questions, "What crime have I committed?" and "Am I being detained or free to go?" force them into a corner, dismantling their authority as he refuses to comply with an unlawful order.
That's what we're going to
What crime have I committed?
It's a broken record. It's going over and over.
No, well, because I need to know.
Okay.
You can't articulate a crime. Why don't you just get the chief out here? He'll clear it up.
No, he won't.
Yes, he will.
No, he has tasked us to deal with this.
Well, you go ask him to come here.
No, he's busy right now.
I'll identify to the chief.
Okay.
I'll identify to the chief. You get the chief out here, I'll talk to him. What's your name, sir?
My name is Officer Adam Hartman, 1896 Fort Wayne Police Department.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for being professional. Unlike these guys who have illegally detained me. And this guy decided he wanted to put his hands on me. Can you do something about that?
Well, he's a sergeant.
It doesn't matter. Can you please arrest this man?
I'm not in here. I'm not. If you
Well, hey, I am going to file a complaint, but that is not it. Can you arrest this man for illegally touching me?
No, I haven't witnessed any crime.
I'll show you. I'll show you the crime. It's being live streamed as we speak. You don't touch citizens, sir, who've done nothing wrong. You don't touch them. You hear me? Do you understand? I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. I just got advised by...
No shit.
Listen, there's no need to swear.
Yeah, yes, there is, because you can't illegally detain me.
Now you're
you are illegally detaining me.
You allowed tumultuous...
You are, yeah, well, you said you can't hear.
Disorderly
You
conduct.
said you can't hear. I'm obliging you.
right.
Can you hear now?
I can hear now. Listen, these are your options. Okay?
I'm not wanting to hear. Am I being detained or am I free to go?
let me
Am I
explain
being
your
detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Are you going to allow me to speak?
Am I being detained? Once you answer my question.
Yes, I'm going to give you what your options are.
I don't care what my options are. I have a right to leave. Am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained or am I free to go? I heard the same thing you did. Am I being detained or am I free to go?
You're being detained.
Under what suspicion of crime? I don't need to hear your lip. Am I being detained or am I free to go? That's the only thing that matters.
Has been secured and rented by...
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
If you...
Am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained?
Other side.
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
understand that?
Am I being
Understand
detained or am I free to go?
Do you understand?
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Do you understand?
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Do you understand?
Am I being detained or am I free to go, sir?
Your refusal to leave will
Am I being
result in
detained
being arrested
or am I
for
free to go?
criminal trespass.
Do you need me to go ahead and sign language it? Am I being detained
sign?
or am I free to go?
You know how to sign?
Do you want me to say it in Spanish or French? Am I being
Habla
detained
español?
or am I free to go?
Habla español?
Which one?
Entiende?
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Okay. You
Am I
can go
being
on the other side of the
detained
street, but you can't
or am I
be on the
free to go?
sidewalk.
Am I being detained?
If you understand that, you are free to go.
Am I free to go? Am I
you
being
understand
detained?
that, you are free to go.
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Okay.
Am I being detained or am I free to go? You have to release me. You have to release me from detainment. You have to release me from detainment. It's not up for me to make a decision whether or not I understand something. It's up to you to release me from my detainment. Am I being detained or am I free to go? Thank you,
Don't
sir.
leave the sidewalk.
I don't care to hear your lip.
Okay.
I'm not on the sidewalk. How's that?
Have a good day.
No, you have a terrible day because I'm going to file a complaint with your department.
Wouldn't be the first.
Well, I already know that. I already know that. I already know that. I've heard your name before. I can't cross here.
I'm just saying.
Are you going to escort me across?
I'll escort.
Are you going to escort me across?
I'll escort you across.
Oh, let's go down here.
Well, how far down do you want to go?
As far as I need to go, away from this guy
We'll go right
who's
here,
trying.
and I'll escort you across.
No,
Now,
I'll determine where I cross
if
at.
you have a ticket, though, you're still welcome to go in on the other side. Do you still have a ticket? Or do you have a ticket?
I'm not answering any questions.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just trying to...
Even though you've been
We're
professional.
not refusing you to enter the building if you have the ticket.
Secret Service has not done that. Why are you following me so close?
I'm going with Detective Techmanager.
I mean, you're being watched. They're telling me that you're following me real close. Did you have your hand on your gun?
Huh?
Did you have your hand on your gun?
I stand like this.
Okay, because this camera's watching you.
That's fine.
All right.
That's perfectly fine.
They can watch you.
What are you calling me?
I don't know, John.
Okay.
Let me know what your last name. How
I'm not answering your questions, but I mean, is that a derogatory? Are you calling me something derogatory?
by addressing you as John.
Please, I want to
Is that
help
like
you.
John Doe?
I want to
What?
help you cross the street, brother.
When an officer touches the man despite warnings, he immediately calls it out as battery and reminds them it's all on camera, while asserting his right to film. The First Amendment protects the right to photograph and record police officers performing their duties in public spaces, including from sidewalks where no reasonable expectation of privacy exists. Recognized in multiple federal circuits, the auditor's persistence, warning against touching, threatening complaints, and live streaming shuts down the power trip, as the officers backpedal, admit Secret Service will clear him, and ultimately fail to justify any escalation, proving that informed citizens armed with knowledge and cameras can turn abusive policing into documented accountability. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.